If you have ever wondered what makes a good work culture highly motivating for employees, the book Tigers Among Us, Winning Business Team Cultures and Why They Thrive, reveals what 4 successful companies have in common that makes them thrive in any economy. The book is based on a validated team development model known as TIGERS. This model was developed by author and organizational development consultant Diane Crampton. She has a proven track record of turning troubled companies and organizations around with 6 measurable principles that build cooperation and work relationships and high-performance teams. The 6 principles are trust, interdependence, genuineness, empathy, risk, and success. The book is written so a leader can read it completely on a flight from Seattle to LA. Research and more complicated concepts are housed in the book's appendix. Each chapter closes with a series of summary action items that leaders can use to brainstorm during office meetings or within executive team discussions. Tigers Among Us takes a rare, in-depth look inside 4 cutting-edge companies, ranging in size from 10 employees to over 1,800. These companies include Zappos.com, Dos Gringos, 4 Refuel, and Tribe Inc. It's no accident that the companies included as case studies in the book are highly successful. All 4 have remarkably happy and dedicated employees. Tigers Among Us will teach you why companies with cooperative work cultures are here to stay and are key to attracting and retaining talented millennials. Why the human desire to make a difference is rarely tapped by business leaders. And it gives you a step-by-step approach to assess your company, improve team cooperation, and become more productive and successful. Tigers Among Us will fascinate and inspire you.